Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I love that you're watching. Today I'm doing a pour with a Speedy Graffiti. Today it's this pour, the candy cigarettes. That's from my Pinterest board. And sorry about the lights. Let me see if I can cover the light. So this is a, whoops, shark came up. So the candy cigarettes, I'm going to use some of these colors. I'm going to pour a flip cup. I'm just using this today. It's the pineapple juice can, which I opened up. Now I'm trying something different today. And the thing I'm doing different is, here's all my colors. All right, I found some glue. Let me go get that. Let's see, where is it? Oh, I see it. It's a slime glue. Here, I'll bring it over. So, I was at Joann's yesterday and I saw this slime glue. It's clear. I'm not mixing it into the paints. I'm going to use it as a barrier between each color when I put the paints in the can. Just an experiment, but I am adding silicone. And here's my nice silicone bottle, which is painted up. I'm going to add silicone into each of the colors, even the white. And then I mix the red, which I will paint, and I will, this is like a neon red from Liquitex. So I'm going to mix the colors up. I'm going to see if I need to add any water, which maybe a little bit. I always add the water at the end. I mean at the end of mixing, not at the end of the pour, of course. Little bit of black, because black just overpowers, so and I mix the colors with the M1 extender, which I've called the fake Floetrol. I'll show you that in a second. There we go. M1 latex paint additive and extender from Sherwin Williams. And I don't know if you can see, but I have some aluminum foil just to reflect some of the light. All right, so I'm going to just move this over here a little bit out of the way. So first thing is, still too a little bit thick. So first thing is, oops, now it seems too thin. All right, hold on a second. Let me put some in this cup. I think I'm going to use the other cup. And I have my spoon straws that I like. And it looks sloppy because I have a very small space to work in. Try not to bump the camera. I'm going to layer some white in here. It's not an open cup, it's closed. So the white's on the bottom. Then I'm going to add the glue, and I forgot to cut that, so let me go cut this off. Hold on. Where are my scissors? There. Alright, so I cut the tip from this bottle, and I'm just going to layer some of the glue in on top. The next color will be black. I'm gonna mix that one in. Then I'm gonna add some more glue on top. The next will be white. I think I'm just gonna pour down the side. Then some blue. And what I do is I tilt, and this might be a little bit thin too, but actually if it starts to come up and it's not too watery. All right, there's the blue. More glue. Just on top. I think it's sitting on top. It would be better if it were a larger cup, I think, then I could see it better. But anyway, here's the yellow. Now this is a 12 by 12 canvas. We need about, I believe it's 8 ounces of paint, which this is 12 ounces. No, it's 8. So we need to probably fill up the entire can. Some white, now some black. No, I do blue again. And that's going to mix in because that's green and blue, but if we put the glue, put some more black. I'm going to add a little bit more white. That's mixing in, that's fine. Some yellow. Some white. And maybe a teeny bit of black on top, let's see. Alright, so now we're going to flip it. I'm moving this out of the way, but I'm keeping the red, and I'm actually going to add some silicone into the red. Place the cup. These are very fine marking writers, rather. I shake this one up before I flip this. All right, I'm moving the paint out of the way. And I actually want to flip this. I'm just going to go like this. It's fine. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. Not a lot of yellow in there. So I really would like to add some yellow to this. I'm just going to use what I have. I just do some puddles. and maybe a little bit more blue. So I'm going to take my writer. I'm just going to turn the canvas a little bit, and I'm going to start writing candy. So it will be candy cigarettes. I just see if the paint's coming out. Okay, good. Make sure you dot your I. And last letter is S. Now I felt like this consistency of the paint in this bottle was perfect for this. It's staying on top. All right, so I'm going to tilt this now. Get rid of that up there. I don't like it. And turn it around a little bit. And just take this lot of yellow right there. And bring it down maybe a little bit here. Just check the sides. Doesn't look anything like the picture, but that's fine. It's just the black really did mix in, but that's fine. It made it quite. I'm just going to move this around a little bit. Okay, great. I like this side a lot with here. All right, perfect. That's it. So I think what I'm going to do is just let it sit now. And not sure if it's level. Just let it sit. Maybe torch it a second. See what comes up. Not sure if the glue really did anything special, but it's pretty interesting, all the textures and I'm wondering if this glue could be used as a silicone. It's pretty thick and it looks oily, but it is fake glue. It's washable clear glue. I think I might just want to take this over a little bit. Actually, I don't think it's really gonna do anything particularly. If you can watch it move, it looks like most of it is moving up here. So that means that's more fluid. This is not moving over here. So I'm actually just going to leave it now. Let it sit, kind of dry a little bit. Just take it one more time. Just do this torching. And that's it today for the candy cigarette Speedy Graffiti pour. Thanks for watching. I love that you guys tuned in. I'm so glad you could join me. Happy birthday to anyone that has a birthday this week. And I will see you guys next time.